this in sconto in what are they calling sconto in English? Italy I've collected it of the first month. Sconto, what are they calling it? Discounts. Not to be one. So this is the outcome of our soup. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are new to my channel, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best Family. My new subscribers, you welcome back once again to Temi World. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to cook, like cooking today. Let me say, I'm thinking that I should cook stew, vegetable and ogbono. Let me see if I can cook the three. So I saw this in sconto in what are they calling sconto in English? Italy I've collected it of the first month. Sconto, what are they calling it? Discounts. Not to be one. So moving in discount. Then I got this for my kids because they love grapes. So I went out to get this too. Now because of this gogo, I mean corals and the tomatoes, because I want to cook and I need to open this door. I don't need any mosquito to bite me here. So I got this one here. I got this to put my rice. I'm going to pour the rice there now. And I got this from one Euro store. You remember I've shown it on my video, right? So I got from one Euro store. I got it for €1. Yeah. So this is what I'll be able to be measuring my guys. Okay.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be our best together.
See who is there with us. So I'm still cooking. Yeah. Let me finish cooking. Yeah. She's smiling. What's it? Okay. Wow. Don't worry, Mama gonna teach you how to cook, yeah? She's asking me. It's okay. Don't let this to burn you. Oh yeah. You go to the sitting room with your sister. Here it's hot. It's so hot here. It's a ciao. It's a ciao. I'm gonna drop her.
place I'd rather be. And here with you, that's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be our best together.
Going to fry my stew now. So this is my vegetable. I don't like covering my vegetable anytime I do vegetable because if you cover it, it's going to turn to water leaf soup. I love to see it fresh. So I always cook it in the low heat after putting everything. Come on, I'm tired though. I'm telling you, I'm tired. Just want to cook this soup once and for all. Then, my fee a milo who are buying you off my food. I don't need to cook for some time again. So I'm going to put my onions. Okay, I'm going to put my chili powder. So this is the vegetable soup. And this is my stew. This is my frying stew.
There's no place I'd rather be. And here with you, that's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me.
my vegetable here. Here is my okro, and that is my stew there. Yeah, I want to show you guys my face, and I need to tell you thank you for watching. Thank you guys for coming once again. Don't forget to like and comment and help me share this video, please and please. And see you guys for my next video. Adios.